Hi, guys. We have to talk about the letter of the week. The letter of the week this week is letter J. J says J for jar, juice, jump, June. J. You try it. That's right. J. J says J. Now, there's an uppercase, which is the big one, and there's a lowercase, which is the little one. Let's see what they look like. Let's see. Zoop, zoop. This is the uppercase J. Zoop, zoop. Zoop, zoop. This is the lowercase J. Uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. Now you try to write it. Okay, guys, very good. So I want you guys to write uppercase J, lowercase j. Make sure you know the sound. What's the sound? That's right, J. And I'd like you guys to know which one is which. You should be able to look at them and tell this is uppercase, this is lowercase. And guess what? If you already can recognize uppercase and lowercase j, write them and you know that J says J, kiss your brain. And you can move on to a letter that you don't know quite as well. But for the rest of us, we're working on letter J. You can even go on YouTube and look for our fun J letter songs. Now, let's talk about our butterfly life cycle. We know that the butterfly starts out its life as an egg. Did you know that the butterfly is only in its egg for 4 days? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Then it becomes a larva. What's a larva, you ask? A larva is the same thing as a caterpillar. It says, a caterpillar hatches from an egg. The caterpillar is called a larva. So you could call it caterpillar or you could call it larva. They're one and the same. Look at that. Next, it goes into a protective shell called a pupa, or you can call it a chrysalis. They mean the same thing. It says, the caterpillar forms a protective shell called a chrysalis or pupa. And that's what it looks like. Look at that. So they're inside of there and they're in there growing and getting ready to be an adult butterfly, and it's kind of wet. So when they first come out, they are an adult butterfly, but their wings are wet. They cannot fly. They have to dry. But once they dry, you'll find that you have a beautiful adult butterfly. All right, so remember, egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly, or egg, larva, chrysalis, butterfly. You will have an opportunity this week in one of your assignments to draw out the life cycle of the butterfly. Remember, we start out with the eggs, and then from the eggs we get a caterpillar. And then after that, it goes into its chrysalis or its pupa. And then what comes out is a lovely butterfly. Let's put some color on our butterfly. We want our butterfly to be special. We want it to look really nice and really pretty. So when you make your own butterflies, because you're going to get an opportunity to create your own butterfly this week, make sure you have lots of color. Make sure you make it creative and special, just like you are. So remember, guys, we're focusing on 4 parts of our caterpillar. Egg, caterpillar, 4 parts of our butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and a beautiful butterfly. Make sure that you have fun learning this week. Make sure that you have fun doing your assignments. Please take video that's at least 2 minutes. And please, if you're doing your work on any kind of paper, you can use pen, pencil, colored markers, crayons, whatever you have, paint, whatever. But please make sure we can see it by uploading it to your student profile. Thank you so much. Stay safe.